First off the line. Gonna do a second first off the line box here. Last one I got. Here we go. I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did before. I'm gonna not look at the hits on top. There's the inner pack. Tighten that up. This might be a, this looks like a little thicker cardstock. It looks like we probably have some sort of a patch autograph here. I'm not going to look though. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, you're going to get a Lamar Jackson. You're going to like that. All right, Christian Kirk. That one is number 299, and there is the Lamar Jackson. Sweet. And that is 2 of 9. 2 of 9 on Lamar. Okay. Better. That is better. Let's hit something big here. I'm going to come to the one on top last. We'll go to the bottom. I'm hoping this is some sort of a NT or flawless piece here. It's going to knock our socks off. Okay. Again, I will come back to the front card. On the back, we got... Dun, dun, dun. It is Dante Pettis. Number 9 of 9. Dante Pettis, 9 of 9. And... Come on. 1 of 1. Say it is flawless. Please, 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 please. Marcus Mariota. Marcus Mariota, 1 of 1 autograph, and that is from 2016 flawless. Well, we got a quarterback 1 of 1. It wasn't the one we wanted, but we did get a quarterback. All right, buddy. Well, nice hit on Lamar Jackson. Get that buddy graded. Appreciate it as always. I'll get it out ASAP.